Yo, hello everyone and welcome back again to a brand new video. Looking to enhance your Shift4 shop with a great checkout page. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to create and optimize a checkout page for your online store. Let's dive in and make it easy for you customers to buy from you. So guys, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So guys, first thing first is to go ahead and open Shift4 shop, as you can see right here. Then click on start for free, and as you can see, the free end-to-end customer plan is only available to the United States merchants at this time. If you are not located within the United States, you will not be able to sign up for the free plan. Please check back later for more affirmations. Now, in case you had the same problem as me, which we can't really create a free account within Shift4 shop, you can use a VPN. VPN can be very useful for those who doesn't have one. So start free, create your store, and as you can see now, we can create one. It's pretty simple. Now we have to give it some information such as the name, so type in checkout page. What type of shop do you run? Commerce or store? Let me just check here really quick. Flower, electronic, consulting, books and publishers, accessories. We could go for food or wellness. Let's go with other. Continue. Here, pick your favorite theme. We could go with this one, or let's see which one is better. What do you think, guys? I'm gonna go with this one. I think, yeah, this one looks better. Click on continue, and here we have to fulfill this information. So let's start by filling them randomly. Of course, guys, I'm not gonna put real informations, but you guys, you have to put real informations about you. So let's start by putting here fake informations. So here, let me just copy this one. So there we go. Here for the streets, it's this one. Country, United States, phone number, I'm just copy that one. Email, this one. Reason you're considering this one: want to start dropshipping business, add an online store to my existing website, need an e-commerce website for my business, and let's click on launch. And after that, the website should be created. There's a mistake here, Billy launch. And yeah, with that being said, that is basically it. As you can see, we set verification code to this number. To continue, please enter the code and click verify. So you have to get like an SMS or basically an email from them that's with the code. Put it here, and you'll be able to actually get to your dashboard. Now let's get to the real business, which is the checkout page and how to manage it. To do so, guys, we are going to follow their article, which is how to improve the cart and checkout page of your e-commerce store. Now, since the checkout page comes by default, and of course the cart comes by default, since we have chosen the theme of the e-commerce and everything that's much as e-commerce, of course they will come with default. So you need now to improve them and create other things within this thing. So let's talk first about the difference between a cart page and the checkout page. A cart page is where the buyer's journey, in terms of conversion, it is like a basket that potential customers use to add anything he or she likes throughout the course of browsing your store. They keep on adding things, but many consider removing or replacing some items when they decide to pay for it. And the checkout page is a continuation of the cart page, which is even more critical to making customers convert. Therefore, it must carry the same ease provided in previous steps. In this blog, they are going to discuss the different methods that you can use to improve your cart and checkout pages user experiences. So why do cart and checkout page need improvements? A user may come across several problems when it comes to online shopping. A merchant or webmaster can only help if he or she understands the common problems their customers may face. To give you a quick review, let's go throughout a few of the most common problems that customers encounter at checkout. Unable to see all cart items, mandatory user registrations, remembering login credentials, hidden charges, irrelevant fields to answer, time-consuming checkout process, trust issues, inconspicuous calls to actions, and difficulty in entering address. Now in details, let me just explain it to you like in few ways. Let's say that you want to a checkout page. First of all, the checkout page has plenty of fields that you don't really know why you are filling them. You're just buying like something, like you're just buying an iPhone, for example, and they are asking you for your mother's name. Like, why are you doing that? I don't remember where I have to put my mother name when I have to buy an iPhone. That doesn't make any sense. So the field of application has to be like pretty simple. It has to have the list of information so the customer doesn't be lazy and doesn't have to spend a lot of time answering all of your fields or basically filling the fields. Also, make sure that the things that you are asking for are not suspicious, like what's the name of your mother, what's the name of your pet, where do you live, where did you study. I mean, these questions can be used in several occasions but not always. So this is why you have to improve them. Now how you can improve them, there's way a lot of ways, like adding a mini cart. Your potential customers may not see the items they added to the cart, the quantity, and the total amount without clicking and visiting the cart page. To ease them with a quick view, you can add a mini cart to improve the shopping experience. The mini cart constantly shows the cart items and amounts so that the customers can add more products mindfully. It shows as a pop-up and displays as a cart summary over top the current web page. For example, we go to a website like Amazon, so Amazon, you will find here, let me just close that, you will find here the number of product that I have, which is 2. So this is something that you can use. Allow for guest checkouts. Guest checkouts is basically for lazy users or clients that doesn't want to go throughout the registration, so they simply have to click and get the items. This is very useful also. Simplify the sign up and login. This is basically to make it easier for your users in case you didn't have the guest checkout, make it easier to register. Have only name, email, password, and that's it. Then you can have transparent about additional charges like taxes, shipping costs, etc. And add custom checkout fields. Checkout fields, for example, as you can see here, shipping method. For example, a custom checkout field like a note for the client to leave or something like that. And these guys can really improve the checkout page sales and potential. And yeah, this is basically it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you guys a lot for watching and see you guys in the next tutorial.